Well, how do you say your last name again?
Karapostolakis.
Kara.
Postolakis. With my first name, it's one letter short of the alphabet.
That's good. Welcome everybody to Vince's at Home. We have a very special guest this week. We have Christina DeFlorio, but before DeFlorio, you were Kara.
Postolakis. Very Greek.
Which means you're Greek.
Yeah.
And we're gonna mix it up in our kitchen and stop cooking so much Italian stuff all the time.
So we're gonna be making a homemade chicken gyro on a pita. Really easy. We're gonna make a village salad to go with that. And then we have Tirokafteri.
Tirokafteri.
Yes. It's a spicy Greek feta dip. They all have the same ingredients, so you just mix them up in a different way.
I love that. And a macaroni salad.
A macaroni salad.
And why are we making macaroni salad?
Because it's your favorite. We have chicken thighs here. So you're gonna start the marinade. This is my favorite olive oil. It's actually straight from Greece. It's called cuisine.
You're cooking Greek food, so you have to use Greek olive oil.
Yes, and we invented everything, right? Like we
and then the Italians perfected it.
Okay. Oh. So I usually measure by eye, but about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Oregano is the key to everything. My grandmother smuggles oregano every year. But ½ teaspoon of black pepper, and same with salt. ½ teaspoon of onion powder, just the regular paprika. So I'm just gonna squeeze about half a lemon, grate a little bit of the lemon zest. So the #1 thing in any Greek recipe is garlic. We like everything garlicky. So I'm gonna put about 3 cloves of garlic. Then we just give it a mix. So you're just gonna layer it. So you're gonna preheat the oven, 400 degrees. And we're just gonna stick it in like that. Then we're gonna come back to it in about an hour. At the same time, you can make a village salad. And the idea of the village is just rough cut, throw it in. Kalamata olives, Greek feta. This is the authentic from Krinos. It's straight from Greece. There's 2 pieces in here. Usually we just put it as a big chunk. Pepperroncini peppers. I'm gonna put a little bit of oregano or the olive oil on top, a generous amount. So we mix it up, and then usually the feta goes at the end. You can also put a little bit of red wine vinegar. Now with the same ingredients out, we can make our tirokafteri dip. Tiro is cheese, and then kafteri in Greek means spicy. Yeah, so spicy feta dip. So we're gonna use the green banana peppers. These ones are the hot ones. These are hot for the spice. So usually start with 1 pepper, just chop them so they can process a little bit easier. The good thing is with this feta, 1 block is all you need. Put a little bit of red chili flakes, about ½ teaspoon. So we're just gonna cut some of the garlic, 1/3 of a clove. And then we're gonna use this Greek yogurt, just less than ½ a cup. Olive oil, about 1 tablespoon. And the idea is we're gonna mix it and then we're gonna try it and adjust as we go. So now that we have all of our chopped vegetables in here, so we have our celery, our red pepper, our onion. So we're gonna get a measuring cup. We're gonna make the sauce. So we're gonna do ½ a cup of mayo. We're gonna double the recipe here. So I'm just gonna put this whole thing. And then we're gonna get some sour cream. We're gonna do 1/4 cup of sour cream. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of Dijon, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon salt. I'm gonna do the black pepper. It's a pretty big salad, so maybe we'll just do 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, and then sugar. Just a little bit, 2 tablespoons sugar. After the garlic, the last but not least, we're gonna use my secret ingredient. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of pickle juice. Just gonna whisk it all up. So you have your pasta here. Macaroni doesn't take too long to boil, it's pretty quick, but the idea is you want it to have time to cool down. So we're just gonna put all the veggies here, and we're just gonna, really easy, just pour it all over. And you're just gonna mix it all up. The paprika, just on top, just so it looks all pretty. So see how it's starting to get all nice and golden? That's exactly what you want. Okay, so we're gonna take this out, and then you just slice it up, and then you assemble. We use the Vince's tzatziki. I'm gonna grab a couple tomatoes here. Then we're gonna grab some onions. We put mustard in ours, good old yellow mustard. You can get a scoop of your salad.
Pasta salad.
Pasta salad.
Got the pasta salad.
Thanks for having me, guys.
Opa.
Opa! Take a look in the description for the ingredients and the recipes. And we'll see you next time at Vince's at Home.
Bye, see you later.
See you later.
How do you say thank you in Greece? In Greek?
Ευχαριστώ.
Why is everything so complicated?
I
Why does everything have to
know.
have so many syllables?